All right, Monica. Hello, how are you?
Good evening, sir. I am fine, thank you. And you?
I'm absolutely fine. What's going on?
English class is going on, and my interview in the English class is going on.
Okay, that's great. Now tell me something about you.
My name is Monica Bagil. I am 13 years old. I am in class 7th. I am doing my 7th from Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Agra. In my family, there are 5 members, including me. My hobby is to drawing and listening songs. And my aim is to become an IAS officer.
Okay, very nice. So could you please tell me the full form of IAS?
The full form of IAS is Indian Administrative Service.
Okay. What type of job is this?
This is a government job.
What happens in that?
In this job, people can be a leader of a state, and he or she can lead the state.
The leader of a state is CM, Chief Minister. So it means after passing an IAS exam, we can become a CM of a state.
No, sir, but if we prepare more, we can be CM also.
Okay. So for becoming a CM, we have to prepare for IAS.
It's not compulsory, it's our choice that what we want to be.
Okay. I think you mean to say that IAS is kind of a job in which we do something for the welfare of society by being in a government job, right? After preparing for
Yes.
this, or when you crack the exam of IAS and crack an interview of IAS, you can be DM or you can go in administrative services. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So you told me that you are in Navodaya school. How Navodaya
Yes.
school is different from general schools, private schools and some other government schools?
First, JNV schools are like hostel schools, and JNV school provide everything to student like uniform, books, etc. For this school, we have to give an exam, and then we qualify. Its fee is very low, and its education system is very good from other normal public schools, and the students have scheduled everything, that what time they have to wake up and everything. That's why it is better than public schools.
So Monica, let me know right now, are you at your home or you are in hostel?
I am at my home because the pandemic is there.
Okay, so when you go to your school, you have to live there. Am I right?
Yes, sir, I have
Don't
to live there.
don't you miss your family?
I will miss my family, but if we want to fulfill our dream, we have to go at another place for study, because we can't do study from at our home.
Okay, after completing 12th, what will you plan to do? Which stream will you choose in your college for college study?
So what?
Which stream will you choose after passing 12? Will you do BCom, BA, BBA, BSc? What study would you do?
I will do BSc, and including BSc, I will do my preparation of IAS for 2 or 3 years, and then I will fill my form of IAS. Then I will try for it.
That means you like science.
I like science, but I like most maths.
Okay, you like maths more than other subjects.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
which portion do you like in mathematics? Algebra, trigonometry, or arithmetic, advanced math? What do you like?
Actually, I am in 7th, and in 7th, the math is not separated. So I think I like all the chapters. And in 10th or 12th, it may be separated.
Okay. How many tables do you remember?
I remember 15.
Up to 15. Okay, that's nice. And you told me that you like singing. Singing or songs? You like listening songs?
No, sir, I like to listening song.
You like to listen songs. Okay. So what types of songs do you listen?
So, not it is not fixed. If there is any song, a new song in the market, I listen it. If I like it, I download it.
Okay. There's no particular song, particular types. Okay. And who's your
Yes.
favorite singer?
My favorite singer is Arijit Singh.
Okay. You told me that you have 5 members in your family. Tell me something about them also.
My father is an army officer. My mother is an housewife, and my brother is in 12th standard, and my sister is in 11th standard.
Okay. And on which post is your father?
My father is Havaldar.
Okay. Constable.
Yes, sir.
All right. You are from Agra itself.
Yes, sir. I am from Agra.
Okay. What do you like in Agra? What is special in Agra?
I have not visited the whole Agra. I like my home in whole Agra.
You like only your home in Agra. Haven't you visited Taj Mahal?
No, sir.
Oh, how long have you been living in Agra? Since birth, or you have just started living here?
No, sir. I am living in Agra 4 months, 4 year ago.
Okay, for 4 years you have been living here. Nobody told you about Taj Mahal.
Many people told me about, but I don't want, and I don't want to visit there because I don't have time.
Okay, that means you remain busy. In what things you remain busy? Only in studying or something else?
I have my computer course on 6 to 7 a.m. So I have to wake up on 5 a.m. and I have online classes till 1:30 p.m. Then my remedial classes are there from 2:30 to 6:30 p.m. and my English home classes on 5:30 to 6:30. Then my house class is there for 7 to 7:30 p.m. Then, as usual, we take food and revise something and then go to bed.
You are utilizing your time.
Yes.
Sounds good. So what course are you doing in computer? You told me that I have computer course. So what type of course are you doing there?
I am doing tally first.
You're doing tally. Have you completed your basic?
So I will do tally after my basic, and I am doing like basic only. Yes.
Okay. Monica, as you have told me that you want to become an IAS, so how will tally help you in becoming IAS or after joining civil services? How will tally help you?
So actually, nowadays computer is normal in our life. Computer, we can use computer in our daily life. So it is not only important for my IAS life. It is important for everyone's life. That's why I am doing computer course.
Okay. So would you do only this course or you have planned to do some other courses also like designing, Photoshop and some other Corel, Triple C, C++, something like that?
Actually, if the pandemic will be there, I will do the whole course. If the pandemic will stop, I can't do because I had to go to my hostel.
Okay. So computer education is provided in your hostel, in your school or not?
Yes, sir, it is provided, but I want to do at my home.
Okay. As we know, Monica, that we have been suffering from a problem which is Corona, and it is a demon. We can call it devil, monster, whatever we want to means whatever the negative word we want to put, we can. But tell me how pandemic has changed your life. What pandemic has brought in your life? What special or what negative it has brought in your life?
If the pandemic will not there, I will go to my hostel before 1 year, 1.5 year. That is good that I am at my home and spending time with my family. And I think not pandemic is so bad, not corona is so bad because of bike accident, car accident, bus accident, the people die more than corona died. So
Okay.
it is not very harmful.
Okay. So you have been at home for 1.5 year around.
Yes, sir.
You're taking online classes, right?
Yes, sir.
So what difference did you feel between online classes and offline classes?
Actually, I didn't feel any difference between my online classes and offline classes because the teachers of Navodaya take the online classes as usual as offline. They don't difference in offline and online.
Okay, that's nice. You are completing your syllabus in a proper manner, right?
Yes, sir.
Did you face exam last year?
Yes, sir. I faced exam.
Okay, the exams were online or offline?
So it was online.
Okay, exams were online. All right. What was your percentage?
My percentage was 88.9%.
All right. And how many students are there in one class in Navodaya?
Actually, there are 70 to 72 students in one class.
In one class, 70 to 72 students around.
Yes, sir. There are two sections.
Okay, two sections are there. So
Yes.
in one room, 35 students may be sitting, right?
Sir.
Okay. Who is your best friend?
No one is my best friend. Actually, I don't want any best friend.
You don't want friends. You don't believe in friends.
So I believe in friends, but I don't want because some friends are there in our society that are not good. We say them that he's or she is my best friend, but she didn't say us their best friend.
Okay. Monica, I would like to ask you, as you have listened, you must have listened that females are now going in defense, and now you can see females are there in police also. They are in every field. So, how do you take it? How do you feel as a girl? Do you feel proud or
It is. I feel proud because it is opportunity to women or girls that they are also doing government job or police or at extra. They are not that some of the men, not all men, but some of the men think that women can be only at their home. It is wrong that they are only made for their home. It can do many things. That's why it is right that they are doing work outside.
okay? Don't you feel so if they start going to services and jobs, their family and their homes will be suffered? Who will take care
No,
of these things?
so a responsible woman can take care of his family with doing outside job and home also.
Okay, you have got nice thinking. Good. And what's your favorite color? Now tell me about your favorites also. What's your favorite color? What's your favorite dish? What's your favorite dress? Favorite festival? Tell me about these things also.
My favorite dish. There is no dish that I like the most. I eat most of the things, um, but some things I don't eat. But no one is my favorite dish. And about my favorite dress, it is as usual shirt or jeans. And
And what about your
and
color?
what?
Color?
My favorite color, I don't think about that.
Okay. You don't have any favorite color. You like all the colors according to situation.
Yes, sir.
Favorite festival?
Mm, I like most of the festival, but I like Holi the most.
Like Holi the most. Okay.
Yes.
Do you know the history behind Holi?
Yes, sir. I know history behind Holi.
You have to tell me the history behind Holi in 5 lines, in 5 sentences.
Okay, sir.
Only
There
five
was a
sentences.
boy,
Don't go more than five. Okay.
there was a boy whose name was Prahlad, and her sister name was Holika. And once his sister done something, and Prahlad keep his sister and sit on the fire. His sister burned away, and the Prahlad was there as usual. That's why we celebrate Holi.
Holika was Prahlad's sister.
Yes, sir.
Then who was Hiranyakashipu?
Sir, I think Holika was the sister of Prahlad.
No, she was Bua. She was Bua of Prahlad. Hiranyakashipu was father of Prahlad, and his sister was Holika. Okay. It's your favorite festival. You should know deep about it. Okay, that's not an issue. So, how do you celebrate your Holi? You play with colors, or what do you do? You dance, or how do you celebrate?
Actually, I like the Holi most from this year only, because from this year I had think that I will collect my dress that I will wear on Holi for till I dead. That's why it is my favorite now.
Okay,
Only
this
one
is only
reason.
the reason. You don't like color.
Yes,
You don't like holy colors.
I like color, but
You don't
not
play with
nothing
them.
specific.
You don't play with them.
I play also. I play also, but the reason of my favorite festival was that.
Okay, that's good. Uh, Monica, you are only 13 years old. You're very small,
Yes, sir.
right? But your thinking is very high. You want to become IAS, and you are thinking so positively. I'm glad to hear
Thank you,
you.
sir.
I'm glad to hear you. But tell me about sports activities done by you also. Do you do you take some interest in sports or
Yes,
not?
sir. I take interest in sports, and in my previous school, I was like that PT teacher attend a monitor, and
Hmm.
I was the monitor of my PT class, and
Okay.
that's all.
So you used to make students PT, or your PT teachers used to do this.
Yes,
You monitor and you used to make students do PT. It was your
yes, sir.
responsibility. Okay, that's great.
Yes.
What game do you like to play?
It is not special. I play every game.
You play all the games.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You like to play indoor games more or outdoor games?
I like to play outdoor game most.
Okay, you like to play outdoor games more than indoor games.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's nice. And do you know how to prepare dishes like
Yes, sir.
shahi paneer,
I know.
Maggie, any vegetable, roti? Do you know how to prepare them?
Yes, sir. Some of the dishes I know that how to prepare it.
What other dishes can you prepare well?
So the first dish that I made properly, that was tea, and my father's favorite tea is of my hands.
Okay, good.
And second thing, I make paratha and roti.
Okay,
Then macaroni, pasta, and rice.
okay.
And then few days ago, I learned how to make momos, and I make it properly, and they were very tasty.
Okay. As I can see, you are multi-talented, multitasking, and you have joined our coaching English Home. So I want to ask you, how many days have you passed here, and what did you learn here? What kind of improvement have you got from here?
I have many improvements. It can't be say in the words because I can speak English before English home, but it was not fluently. Actually, everyone have some issues in learning English or speaking English. But nowadays, I can talk in English without hesitation. My sir explained me that how to remove our hesitation, and as you see, I can say fluently.
Okay, you have become confident in speaking in everything. Okay, Monica, it was nice talking to you. I enjoyed talking with you. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Most
Bye
welcome.
bye.